1. Panasonic EH-NA65-K Nano Dryer. With a compact size, the hairdryer is among the interesting budget options. Regardless of its target user, it still manages to offer a few professionally inspired characteristics. One of these design characteristics is the 360 rotating power cord. It allows users to dry their hair from different positions and power source without actually damaging the power cord. With an included hanging loop, it can also be easily stored in any location. With the weight of just 1.2 pounds, it is also one of the lightest designs in its class. Together with the power cord-friendly design, its weight recommends is for women who travel a lot and who need the extra durability and versatility. Convenient features. Based on a 1.875 watts motor, the hairdryer is as capable as its heavier rivals. Panasonic goes to show that even a lightweight design can be reliable for all types of hair. There are 2 speeds to be considered for normal hair drying. These speeds are used together with solutions such as the heat control presets. From mildly warm to warm and hot, users can set their own preferences. Cold air can also be shortly applied, especially towards the end of the hair drying process. Pros. Stylish design. Made with 360 power cord rotation. 3 Pro quality style attachments included. Made to draw moisture particles into the hair. Premium focus airflow. Cons. Balance can be improved. 2. Subai 2200 watts professional hair dryer. Three. John's Ceramic Ionic 2200 watt. 4. Berta 1875 watts. Jinri Travel Hair Dryer 1875 watt.